Okay, guys, yesterday we talked about unit rates, and today we're going to talk about comparing those unit rates. Okay, so I told you guys that unit rates are when you have uh, one unit or you have a rate of one, meaning you have per dollar or per hour, per item. Okay, so I'm going to show you two examples. Okay, and these examples are real life situations. You know, when you go into the store and they may offer you a bulk item, let's say a big bag of chips versus a small bag of chips, right? And you're trying to say, okay, which one would be a better price? Maybe I should buy a lot of small bags of chips rather than a big bag of chips and end up with more chips for my money. So that's what better buy means. What is a better buy? All right. How can you get the most for your amount of money? Okay, so with each of these problems, let me turn my pen on real quick. With each of these problems, we are talking about the better buy. Therefore, which one will give me more for my money? Now, the money is the most important part here. Okay. Each time I do these problems, comparing unit rates, I have to divide the amount of money by the amount of the object. Okay, dividing the amount of money by the amount of the object. Okay, so here, 12.5 ounces of a bag of Doritos for $3.79 are 3 ounces per bag for $1. Okay, so which one would give me more chips at a lower price? So, like I said, we're going to divide our price. We're going to say 3.79 divided by 12.5. Okay. Now, of course, you can use calculators on this, guys. We are using calculators now. You don't have to do the long division, but if you want to, you can. Now, when we put this in the calculator, 3.79 or $3.79 divided by 12.5 ounces, we have 0.3032. Okay. Now, the thing is, of course, when we're talking about money, we stop at this hundreds place, right? So we round and we just take this 0.32 off, or this 32 off. So it's really about 30 cent per ounce, right? Or you can say 0.30 per ounce. Okay, same thing. Now, if I have 3 ounces for a bag of chips for $1, I have to divide this dollar. Let's say just one divided by three, really, right? You guys should already know what one divided by three is. You've seen it plenty of times. It's just three repeated, right? Or you can say 0.33, since we're talking about cent. All right, we'll stop right here at the hundreds place. We don't have to put another three because we don't have that in cents. Now, this will be about 33 cent per ounce, or you can write it as 0.33 per ounce. Okay, so would it be better to buy the bigger bag of chips? Or would it be better to buy the smaller bag of chips? Which one would cost less? We're looking for the least one. Obviously, the big bag of chips would be only 30 cents per ounce. This smaller bag is going to cost 33 cents per ounce now. So you're going to save a couple pennies by buying the bigger bag. All right. Let's do one more. What if I have 12 bars of soap for $10 or 5 bars of soap for $4? Okay, so my goal here is to see how much does 1 bar of soap cost in each of these situations. All right, so we're talking about 1 bar of soap because we're talking about unit rates. Remember, unit rate is the rate of one. Okay, so how much does 1 bar cost? So let's divide 10 by 12 because we're dividing the money, right? We're dividing the money by the amount of bars. All right, and that would give me, let's say, 83. Let me fix that. 80.